making volcanoes, baking soda, and soap, and food colorings, and vinegar. So let's do it, guys! There we go. Next is soap. Oh. Well, look at that. It looks like a slime. It looks like a gooey slime. It looks like a slime. A gooey slime. Isn't that enough? Fruit color. So then use red and yellow too. I think that's enough. One okay. Is vinegar. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. It's floating in the top. More here. Blue. Next is green. Whoa! Whoa, it's an ocean. Whoa. Oh my God, so cool. Okay. Can you do that? Can you do that? Wow, that's so cool. Let me put some on. Okay, so yellow, the yellow, and blue, and I put. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna come now. Oh. It's a come now. Whoa! It's doing a volcano again. I couldn't believe it. Wavy baby. You got with me. Down with me. Really cool. I'm in your butt. Whoa! It just also have like, oh my God, keep going. keep going. Whoa! Let's see the giraffe. It is. Ow! Oops, sorry, ma'am. It's okay because I got go now. And here with you. Soups. Like this. Take this, lava. Volcano. You will take this. The whole of the volcano. It is so soft. Ooh, that volcano is salty. Hey, here I had ripe. Okay, here. The toilet. Whoop. Time to go. Come on. What? I think, guys, that's it. Oh my gosh, how can I get the giraffe out so we can let him stand up? Bye, guys. I hope you like my videos. Bye.